How to fix the wrong number of unread emails flag in Outlook. I have an annoying problem in Outlook 2013. My inbox is flagged with one unread message, but this is not the case. Even when I empty my inbox folder, this bold one stays next to my folder, new, as it contains a new message. I've tried to empty it, to clean it, to mark all as read it. Nothing works. Any tips?
Following works for me. In the search current mailbox, Ctrl+E, box, type, read column no, and hit enter. When it shows find more on server link, click it. Then the unread emails should appear. Edit, works with Outlook 2016 as well.
I've managed to fix this by going to the web access, right-clicking the problematic folders and selecting Mark All as Read. After this, Outlook stopped displaying wrong unread messages count. Run. This cleans the internal view state and should resolve the problem. Warning: running this command will also reset any custom views.
I tried marked all as read at first and it did not work, so I disabled the use cache exchange mode, then marked all as read, and bingo. I later re-enabled use cache exchange mode.
If you want to support the channel, please